this house, we get a very important personality which we love so much. Mother, for goodness, introduce yourself with your mouth.
Yes, because something senior governor.
Thank you. Good to be here. My name is Ijoma Pelukuro. Of course, I'm a Rotarian. My past district governor was governor 2015-16, but currently I'm the End Polio Now Zonal Coordinator for Zone 20 Africa English speaking. And I'm excited to be in your midst.
Now you never complete. Which one be Governor General?
I didn't put Governor General. I might know why.
He had General inside.
Okay, now that one be one look.
No matter that Governor General, they last too much.
Because only the name go worry.
Alame said I was the Governor General.
I don't know.
You are now aware. Alright, welcome, madam.
Thank you.
So let us hear. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
I'm also here with someone.
Our former friend.
I still be your friend. Cool. I still be your man. My name is Douglas Omo Pepple. I'm also a Rotarian and I'm the state rep for Polio Plus.
Because I didn't add polio.
I mean, they add polio for River State.
Anything
about anything about polio, we go fight.
Okay, now you
kill, destroy him. Anything will
just say you are a polo commando.
If not the only way you go understand, no problem.
Polio commando. But when I talk say when I don't successfully end polio, when I go on nature, I see that signboard. I think either one of our former governors or something, and they forget his name, but a man.
It's a make off.
Sorry, make off for
the Polio ambassador.
He say it has ended. And I'm talking for you say it has ended. When they come fight again now, and I don't bring new one.
Mike, the thing get K-leg.
The polio now K-leg something.
The thing get K-leg.
Polio they cause K-leg.
We thought we had ended it too.
What's happened?
You know, because before a country would be termed to have ended polio, you would have consecutively not had any case of polio for 3 consecutive years. For 1 year, we didn't have it. 2 years, we didn't have it, and we popped out the champagne. And just when we were putting down our glasses and bottles,
Polio struck.
Polio struck in an IDP camp at Mona. An IDP camp called Mona in Medugri. One small boy that they could not reach. Okay. So, and the way it is, all that celebration done yapata. Because we have to start counting again all over.
For another 3 years.
We've just celebrated 16th was 1 year of the last polio case in Nigeria, Kano precisely.
Wow.
But it is just 1 year. We are going to do another 1 year, then another 1 year before we'll be certified as being polio free. So it ended, but it's not ended.
Madam, make I ask you. Polio. Waiting go with this polio.
You say polio now, it's a menace, it's a disease that actually affects children between the ages of 0 to 5. So what we try to do on our own is to make sure that we gather children from the time they are born to give them those polio vaccine so that they will not contact polio in any way.
That is to talk to ordinary market people, ordinary grassroots people. Now polio that thing where they make children hand bend,
their leg
no go feel
hand bend, leg bend.
Yes, leg weak. Some of them go there on crutches. Some of them go there crawl for ground as if you know.
Some of them they use wheelchair.
That's
so now
right.
because some of them now because they don't give them that polio.
Now because if they were vaccinated at all, they wouldn't have had that, and that is where our problem is.
Bros. So now that the campaign where they carry now,
yes,
say make people now they do
make you make sure say any pikin where they near your house.
Even if not be your own,
whether na your own or not be your own, because
drag and come on.
Carry and go give them. Because one polio case where we find all of us begin that risk. So even if you feel say you don't big pass to get polio. Your pikin don't come. What of your grand pikin?
Even your grand pikin.
What of your great grand pikin? So you go make sure say any pikin where you see anywhere, make sure they collect this vaccine.
Either you talk to the mama or you talk to the papa.
Or you go report say, you know,
get one pikin wey dey
this house, they don't bring them out. Because there is even a law where they hold them. If you no bring pikin out, make the vaccinator. Now whistle blowing. You don't make money blow whistle, carry on.
So all those churches them, when they say they don't believe in this thing, or maybe a child hand begin bed, they go say now banje.
No be wish, whatever. Now medical, now polio.
So now the parents we go blame.
Now the parents, now the community, now you and I, when no blow whistle, drag them, make them give them polio vaccine. Yes. The money where this country and indeed the Rotary and the entire world they put inside polio. If they put them to HIV/AIDS, cancer, malaria, and whatever, you don't go hear about them again. But because we don't carry our hand put for this polio, we are not going to rest till it is eradicated. So I don't. Our campaign be saying maybe people don't think say na Rotary or na WHO or na UNICEF or I don't grow, my children don't grow beyond 5. Nothing. No. It's an international menace. It's an international menace. The same way Rotarians are talking about it, the same way even runaway Rotarian Mike. You suppose they talk about that, and you could where still they rotate where I don't know. You suppose join hand. Everybody suppose they talk about polio because this world is not free until the last child is immunized and polio is eradicated from the face of the earth. Na trouble, na yawa with them.
God bless you, madam. See. This triangle where they come from now, it suits me.
I like them because you're taking every 5 years.
Now all of them they take. If you see their card, yes.
No, which one they take, the polio or the malaria or the typhoid or
they give them card where they give them the day where they go come for different
ones.
Yes. You get sometimes they carry them go collect injection early morning before they go school.
You better picking.
Yeah, I know. Me at least I know this one. Now, my madam, you see the problem now what I get. You see. Plenty or the highest population of Nigerians now church people. You understand? If Rotary l'argent avec les partenariats, c'est sans faire la chercher.
C'est tout semi.
C'est tout semi, very correct. C'est tout semi, j'en avec toi la partenariat la chercher.
Vie c'est vie.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle avec les wakari la message? Your message will go far. So if it's possible, let Rotary partner with some big churches. Machine understand.
Make message go far. Now they talk all this wrong.
If they partner with big churches like OPM, like Salvation Ministry, like Redeem, like all these big churches, make their feet give una maybe on a Sunday or a church service day, just like 10 minutes to talk to the church on the importance of this polio. You see, you get some churches where they do pregnant women meeting. Some of them they do what they call
even health
antenatal for all those. They allow now if not 5-10 minutes to talk to these people so that they will understand. Because sometimes if we say we go talk the thing by ourselves, if na me talk and people will say na comedian, no mind now. They don't take it serious. Yes. And if now the pastor talk and they will say pastor the program come from the spiritual angle. You understand? But now if you make them by yourself now, you tell them this, they go believe you more, especially when you wear this reflector and you put the cap. They go look and say, this woman come from Oyinbo Oyinbo country and they go believe your story. Yeah. You understand? So what will be the effort one they put to partner with churches?
Like I said, you better begin.
Let's see.
You don't track. You don't say among Rotarians, all these churches where you mentioned, Rotarians down. Yes. You also get Rotarians in mosque. You also get Rotarians in all walks of life.
What about Juju house?
That is
what?
Rotarians don't do Juju house. Except you go when you come out.
It's not right.
Okay, what will they do? Be say that's why we come here, because we don't say people they like listen to now. People they listen to funky funk. Don't know whether na Juju na they use. People you get people where if they never listen to funky funk, it be like say their Friday never starts.
Yes.
That is why we waka. I know say no be only me waka come. I waka with somebody come. That is why we say make we use on a medium, use your voice. Tell people say polio na helele. You know, it don't take, we don't pass that time when somebody go they talk say polio no there for River State, polio there for Maiduguri, polio there na lie. Go for my one, go for slaughter, go for the street. Now so people when they live for those areas, now so they feel come here. People go north to go buy tomato, they go carry pikin come. they go carry cow from Sokoto, come this side. When they go carry Ofingo and which of
Oporo.
I be talking. They won't call them Ogolo. Ngolo, sorry, I thought I know Ngolo. Okay, Ngolo, they will carry am, move go for that side. So as long as people go, they waka krukere move from place to place. Polio. In short, now when they even talk flood, na him be where trouble dey. Because this flood fit leave Borno. You say Borno get flood.
Na fear.
You know say
1,000.
water no get enemy. Na so water go travel Kurukere from Borno, pass Benue River, enter Onitsha, pass Owerri, bam, e don land you. So please make anybody no talk say polio no dey for Rivers State. Polio, as long as polio dey anywhere in the world, Americans wey dey carry money nyafu put for polio, the likes of Bill Gates and the rest, they no get polio for their place, but they know say except we wipe and comot for every part of the world, say if he still come back to America. The reason why, another reason why we dey here be say our overall international chairman for polio, they call am International Polio Plus Committee. The chairman Oyibo man, you know, they like the day. His name na Michael McGovern.
Say na my namesake.
Hey, Michael, your namesake.
We're here.
Oyibo dey answer your name.
It's not my community. No,
You
you
don't
say his name now. Waiting.
Michael McGovern.
Mike. There's
I'm
difference
Michael,
between Mike.
I'm not
No,
Mike.
you are Mike.
Anyway, they
Michael
call him.
Olo.
They don't even call him Mike. They know they call him Michael. So,
okay, so you don't share.
your namesake.
My namesake is coming.
But it's from my community.
It was for that convention where they talk for Atlanta.
Yes.
Hey, Nigeria be performing.
I know.
Hey, as Bill Gates drop 450 million, say if we bring money, go bring out 450 million match am. Now so other big countries begin drop money. They call the first one, call the second one. Fear don't they catch us.
Nigeria.
The next thing when we hear federal government of Nigeria, $150 million.
Who call him?
Hey!
Who call him?
No, you both take him out, call him now roof, come out.
You sure say?
Hey,
You
green,
sure say?
green, white, green, don't we just the boys, you know?
Una don't pay. Nigeria don't pay that money.
You know, it's
Pledge na one thing to
no, let me tell
Mike,
you.
don't worry, we'll
Nigeria know they quit. This government know they quit pledge something like that.
Yeah.
So as they come for where you both day.
Who
Over
represent us?
200 countries. We did now. How you gonna talk who represent?
No, as in who called
As
the
I
money?
did, I don't look like person.
No, not be that one. Who called the
We
money?
get senior people now.
Nah,
You
we
know-
got the money.
Do you know?
Kemi.
Do you know that
George.
the highest African now where they for
For Rotary. Nigeria.
now only Nigeria now Port Harcourt boy.
Are you serious?
But make we leave that one. Now Port Harcourt.
That
Nigeria don't.
The Kenyan
Nigeria
man.
don't change level.
I've been in Kenya, I've been in Zimbabwe, who's supposed to take over. He don't die now.
He don't die now from Uganda.
Okay, Uganda.
So the person where they follow
I'm
am
gonna say
now.
no.
Now I'm going to take over. Now, but I
No,
come
be at least no be just take over now, but the person you know say polio get hierarchy.
That's
Rotary
international.
has,
International.
like, yes.
level. Even polio get hierarchy. Because polio get senior polio. dey.
So the thing why they talk say Mike McGovern go land in Nigeria on Sunday. Stay for Lagos Sunday. For Monday morning, he go visit the polio house because we get big polio house. Then he go unveil our latest polio ambassador. Now na sister. Your sister for Nollywood, na Kesensho.
Ah, that should be polio ambassador.
Yeah,
She
yes,
get
she
polio.
well.
No, we'd always use people. Even Tiwa Savage,
Don't
they
be,
with us.
don't be.
With the.
Why you not tell them say funky for to get with him?
You know, say if you begin the wear cap, they wear this. No, they don't pay money.
No,
Now if you dey talk about,
no worry.
begin talk
Go ahead.
about.
No, go ahead.
We can talk polio. If they didn't pay money, no one be ambassador. Blue ambassador na 100 million.
Abio.
Okay.
Ordinary
You don't come.
polio be international. Excuse me. If you can donate $450 million, 450, 100 million naira, the only country that donate, you cannot pay us
Just 50 million.
just 50 million.
Where your
My Buhari pin, he promised to give me.
I said I go give
and
you,
I
no.
go hold you. I don't know how you take loss. Now this flood though.
Na fraud.
As they pack it wrong. Me, I get one thing with my hand here. When I smoke.
That one na
That one they call
number.
am
They call am number.
BCG.
It be like gone.
Na BCG. When we saw it, call am number. Say go take
No, this
number.
one they drop out for.
They didn't took injection.
They didn't-
So you don't need to fear
The
it.
king, they also put man the lick am. If he say
It's
lick
sweet.
am, say,
It's very small.
a trial will conceive you.
With at my age. I
So we can lick it.
Excuse me, can't I just taste it?
You can test. That's what I'm saying. You can test it. Even sometimes when we want demonstrate,
I come
when we
there.
want demonstrate to people, say this thing no dey kill. We
We
put
go
our
first taste
mouth.
that.
We should continue announcing advocating and bringing our children make they vaccinate.
Well,
Anybody will get below 5 years, Abi?
Below from the time when they drop the picking from
Bam.
belle, bam,
to 5
if you
years.
catch polio, to when the picking do 5 years.
After 5 years.
This polio now have
After 5
virus.
years,
This polio now virus.
Wait.
I don't know.
You know it's after 5 years the pikin don safe. But our target people wey dey find now na those people wey dey between 0 and 5 years.
Excuse me, because of the economic situation in the country, many people need to born like before. What of people don't born since when the beginning like 6 or 7 years?
Bring am make we give am if he never received before.
See in Nigeria, our own things, if Oyibo pikin after 5 years is normal, I want to go like 15 years old. We know ourselves because of one, our weather day. 2, what you would job. 3, like I said, need this so. We don't take polio injection at all.
Very small.
If she born, I begin. Other Oyibo pikin at 5 years, and it on 15 years before it go normal. So, and it's good because outside children, they are suffering a lot. They are not like us. Who they chop carrots
That is
sometimes.
only children. And only children and sister.
And now, if Biafra come here, Nani is in trouble. Now, Nani is a foreigner in this country. Once now the Canadian Koku boys take over the state. And he don't die. Now, back to what I was saying. We're going to increase our own African Nigerian age, especially Nigerian age.